Alright guys, next plan for today is get this wall border off. Clean up this wall. We're going to prepare it to get it re-cleaned. Place the boards around here. We're going to take out this whole back wall, re-drywall it. And then go through and reseal the windows. Put new boards, insulated, all the whole 9 yards. Get new trim border up around the window. This is the old stuff here. We got all the nails pulled and everything. All the old trim, what we can use is all out in the garage. And the new paint is going to be an antique white. We did have a wood paneling on here before. But that was just kind of getting old, and as you can see, this old spackle board has got a few holes in it. It's all original from the house. It's from, gosh, 1930, I believe. I can't quite remember. But that's going to be the project from now on. Get all this finished up, new drywall on the end, new trim, new paint. But we're going to have to sand and a whole bunch of prep work to get it back to where it should be. So keep watching. Alright guys and gals, this is where we are at now. Got all the paper off of this side. As you can see the lovely mess. Next is tear out this wall and get that going. Alright y'all, another plan here going on. Gonna be taking this barn board here, cutting it up, and gonna be making some shelves out of it for the room we're gonna be redoing. So I'm gonna set you guys up and let you kind of watch me go through that process here. Bear with me.
It might be hard with a window right there like that in the sunlight.
Not to give. Yeah, if you grab that crowbar, or the packet blade again, you can pop it on each side. Now I got stuff still over here too. Yeah, a bit more. Now this is
Yeah, I would use something like that. I would leave that the way it is up there. Nothing wrong with that. Not gonna get
just
it.
old.
Yeah, so.
So it's already got everything that's been trapped into it for how many years? Plus,
Yeah, but I don't know if we
you're
can get.
required to replace it every 5 years, every 10.
No,
Oh, no,
insulation
that's-
never.
yeah,
Yeah,
this is
insulation doesn't go bad.
You'll be alright,
This stuff
as long as
is.
you don't mess with it.
Well, that's it. In fact, this is. All these screws gotta come out, yeah, but. I'll just throw that shit right on top of it again.
Yeah, I'll start popping this one back, or
We're gonna have to slide this down then.
I think we should get the drywall and stuff first, measure out what we need. And
We
then
measure
have
what
it.
we need. I'm
And
guessing.
then we pull it, and then when it's pulled, we do what we gotta do, and then we have it all right away to put it back together.
Well, we gotta get Mike's truck to get the drywall because I can't put it in the back of our pickup because it's too full of crap. At least Mike's truck will be clean.
Yeah.
Alright, quick update. This is where we're at. We got this half side down. Gonna have to tear out all the old insulation, redo around the window here, and all the way around. Fresh insulation, drywall, get it all mudded and get it painted. But I just want to say thank you for following along and stay tuned for more and like and subscribe.